Good morning. How was Halloween last night?
Good. I hope the red foot's got me.
Wait, come here, Fifi. Come here.
I hope the red foot got me a toy.
You hope the Switch Witch got you a toy?
Yeah.
You want to go see? What do you think, Asher?
What do you think, Asher? The red foot got me.
What did Switch Witch bring? Silly string?
It looks like spray paint, huh?
Yeah. And some more. Ooh.
What do you think?
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
Wow!
Whoa.
One of your favorites. Ooh, looks like lots of crafts.
For my rainbow birthday.
For your rainbow birthday?
Daddy, this is for my rainbow birthday.
The Switch Witch brought it for you.
Ooh, stickers.
Stickers.
The Switch got me these stickers.
Yep. You got those other stickers while you were trick-or-treating, huh? Ooh, some Play-Doh.
I have potatoes now. Well, that's done.
What?
After I have that done, you have that done.
Oh, me and Asher both have stripies on?
Yeah.
Oh. Yep, we sure do.
But you don't have any making that compass.
No, I don't.
No.
Should we do your hair?
No.
No? Okay.
No, can I have it?
You want my phone?
Yeah.
What are you going to do with it?
Press the green button and what's the amount bowing to hang me. Then I will press cat and hat button. Then I will come on.
You want to watch Cat in the Hat, basically. Okay. You like that smoothie? More? Oh, messy. Gotta take down our spider web. Ooh. gonna take him down?
Probably.
Asher, you just learned not to up the stairs, buddy. Come on. Silly boy. Are these your favorite part of your costume, those shoes and socks?
Hmm?
Can I do your hair now?
Da, 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 da. Mommy,
We need to brush your hair.
Mommy,
Can you what?
can I go off these Jackson shoes on?
Yeah, you can wear those. Let's go do your hair. Oh, Asher's crying. Daddy's got him. Okay, I'm gonna go get Asher and then we'll go. Want to see what Daddy's doing? Daddy is working on making our bed, finally. I was just told that there's really bad traffic, so we have to leave a lot earlier for our play date. So I have to go put Asher in the car seat while still sleeping. What, honey?
I got Hong Kong.
You got Hong Kong?
Yeah.
Hong Kong's her baby. So I guess here's the traffic. Fun. At least it's a pretty day. Ew. What you doing? Oh, Asher wants the camera. What you doing, miss?
Hey, Ev, give her a little room in her face, okay?
Babies. Where are the other girls?
Here you go. That's jelly and peanut butter. Can I have some jelly?
Okay, we are now at Walmart at nap time. Whoops. And we're looking for stuff for Fia's rainbow party. Rainbow party! Okay, we need tablecloths. So we need tablecloths in all of the rainbow colors. So the kids are up from nap and just putting away stuff. Asher, what are you eating off the floor? No. Can't eat things off the floor. No, no, no. Give me it. Give me it. Give me. There it is. Okay. Anyways, we're putting away stuff for birthday. And if you want me to do it, oh, buddy, you sad because I took it away. Come here. If you want me to do a birthday planning video, let me know. So for Fia's party, we're making rainbow rice, starting with red. Keep mixing. We gotta go put it out in the sun to dry it.
Wow.
Because that's how you make rainbow rice. Starting with red.
Well, don't forget the purple too. No, that's more.
Hmm.
Woo woo. I need a ball.
A Play-Doh ball.
I'm making
Here's the colors of rice that we've made so far. I don't mind our table. We need it cleaned off. And then there's some still outside drying. So, that's what's happening. Dinner being made. Oh, and this is step stool my husband just made for Fia. Which I love it. It's awesome.
Why?
Are you upset?
Yeah, why?
I don't know. Can you tell me why you're upset?
Because your phone not working.
My phone's not working. Yeah, you wanted to watch something on it. What you doing, Ashman? Being crazy.
Can you fix that piece?
I can try.
Okay.
Let's call your daddy and see if he's almost home. Do you want to see Daddy? No?
I don't want to call Daddy on your phone.
It's because you want to use my phone, huh?
Huh?
Yeah.
Can you fix it?
Oh, Daddy's home. Kids are in the bath. And I'm finishing up the rice and dinner.
There go, Dada.
Thank you.
The table is so messy. This is what happens after Asher eats. Biggest mess ever. I don't think any of it got in your mouth, buddy. I think you need another bath tonight. Let's go give you one. Yeah. How's your brownie?
I'm eating my brownie.
You're not eating it?
Mm-mm.
You're waiting for Mommy and Daddy?
Huh?
Thanks.
No.
Here's our rice.
No.
Ooh, blurry. Yay. We got it, huh? Can you sing the rainbow song? No? Okay, go ahead.
Pink, don't forget this Papa.
How did it start? Right here. Red, orange.
No.